I said, yo, it's GC Coyo dollars, kill all bosses. Me and my niggas draw guns, no portraits. If there's any beef, get smoked like sausage. Open face and closed coffin. Rubber grip, but the top all still. Drop top Chevy, high top, get pilled. I'm so for real, I go for the kill. Make his bitch run base, I dare to still, man, chill. I've been doing this, step your game up. We wolves, but the zoos can't tame us. 6 shots from the tools, fuck your frame up. 1 shot to the head, blow your brains up, you're famous. Lame fuck, make the news for your set. Either ooze or the tech, you can choose what you get. The bullets into your right, blood ooze out your left. Slug zoom like a jet, I'm as goon as it gets.
This is just a brief introduction of how I kill it. Mack the assassin, I murder her with precision. The ammunition you was missing, hidden deep inside my deepest thoughts. Sleeping with a freak, I beat for weeks and then I see it all. She's so hooked, I gotta cook and she want me to beat it raw. But I ain't gonna beat it till she bless me like I'm sneezing. Niggas make sure nobody fucking with Mack dinero. I handle beef for long toast like a hero. I got splits going around like car tires. I keep a dumb so I hope you smart. You take a look at my whole team, you see we all fire. Light your block up like it glow in the dark. If she a gold digger, I gotta follow in the bread. I beat her, gotta walking like she took a bottle to the head. I'm the youngest and the best, these niggas wallowing in debt. We just tryna make some cash, but we do accept check.
On me and my nigga Mack, we slide with the Mack 10s. It can get real ready for niggas who think they run the city. Like cheeks, we clapping them like twinkle fingers, we tapping them. You already know we don't play this shit, nigga. A lot of y'all niggas claim y'all the street, but really, y'all as sweet as candy. Ayy, Tokyo's nightmare shit, gun club shit, New York and Minnesota, let's get it.